The repair shop expert took to social media to bid farewell to his BBC co-star. Along with a photo of the repair shop director James Bainbridge, Chris penned, "So long, farewell to @Bain_Bo, hope to see you in the future. Thanks for all your hard work. #RepairShop. James went on to reply, "Wonderful working with you and the gang." However, Christopher's post left some of his Instagram followers confused, with many questioning whether he was leaving. Sandra wrote, "So sorry to see Christopher leave the repair shop. Good wishes for the future." Vicky said, "I loved watching you repair the books, such care, making slipcases too when you thought it necessary. You'll be missed." While Beverly added, "I loved watching him repair old books. What a talent." 20. In Chris' latest post, he also wished his co-stars congratulations after they won a BAFTA award. He said, reposted @JBladesMB, "Good morning all. Oh, what a night. At their repair shop team we won. Don't miss Lorraine Kelly on Philip and Holly feud as she talks this morning." Replacement video, Fawlty Towers reboot plot confirmed with death of loved character. Latest, Philip Schofield passed his sell-by date with fears he won't return after break. Insight, Christopher has become an integral part of the repair shop team and often leaves viewers impressed by his book restorations. During one classic episode, Chris got choked up following the restoration of a prayer book, which belonged to a Holocaust survivor. Guest Gary Fisher explained the prayer book was very special to him, as his grandparents took it with them when they were captured and taken to a concentration camp. When it came to the big reveal, it was an emotional moment for both the guest and Chris, who explained, "It's the most important book he'll ever repair." As the expert unveiled the prayer book, Gary was left lost for words as he praised, "Unbelievable. All the edges, the corners, I mean they're just brilliant. It's a complete work of art where you can't see the tear anymore. My grandparents, they were in a concentration camp, and they never knew when their time was going to be up, but they had their religion, they had their faith, and that must have been a real comfort to them to never give up." The repair shop is available to watch on BBC iPlayer.
Now take